Hey, what is up, you guys? I'm super excited to get down to the shop today because I really want to mess around with the core support and actually putting it on the Subaru and figuring out where we're going to cut and going from there. And also had a customer vehicle drop off last night, so I'm honestly excited to check on that as well. So we'll just see when we get down there. This is like the last thing I expected to be doing today, but part of my window like took a fat poop. But I forgot I had the OEM lining just laying around, and I know it's not like super easy to get. So honestly, I figured why not? Because honestly, these were pretty bad, like really bad. Yeah, that's pretty gross. And honestly, that'll make the outside look pretty nice. Damn, that really wasn't that bad. I appreciate you, Jake.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, I can't believe the plastic clips just got stuck in there. Like, honestly, that's kind of really dumb. I feel like it's just because they're really old, but I feel like it really cleans it up, so that's cool. with those being cut out, I genuinely need to clean up these edges and bend these pieces out and see where I'm actually gonna finish cutting those. But this is smooth sailing. This is going pretty well. Yeah, so while we were welding that, we ran out of MIG wire, and tomorrow's another day. Okay, ain't got no more MIG wire here out of the two welders, but could just go pick some up tomorrow and just keep going. I really wanted to put them buckets in there first before the core support, and genuinely it's going to clean up how it looks so much because it's just extra at this point. But with it tacked in there now nice and strong, it ain't going nowhere. So direct comparison to other side, I think I'm going to definitely cut that off and replace it with the other one as well, just to make them both look really nice. Seam seal will make them look factory edges. And honestly, we're getting pretty good at that. A little bit more tacks on the inside, grind them all flush, and just so it gets that extra strength on the inside, and then both matched up with that side, and then the core support's ready to go. So tomorrow's another day with the MIG wire. I'm super excited to just keep chugging along with this thing because I really like being able to touch and work on it every day, and just kind of like slowly chug along, make a decent amount of progress, and you know, honestly just be happy with it at the end of the day, because it still is pretty sick. This has been part 5. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. We're really getting heavy progress done. Tomorrow, I feel like when we get that bucket in, it's just kind of smooth sailing from there. We're going to see how the core support actually lines up, tack it in, see how everything lines up together, throw the bumper on, start throwing the fenders on, see if it lines up okay. And then if it does, well, that confirms it, you know? And if it doesn't, we'll see where it needs to go and just go from there.